inside your vehicle. This is to enjoy content, to connect, and also relax. Vehicles will understand passenger preferences and also feelings, and the relationship between people and mobility that will become more interactive. So let me share some features of AFEELA One and what makes it special. I want you to picture a world where driving is no longer a task that's going to tie you down. Guided by AFEELA intelligence, we have developed two core experiences. The first is AFEELA Intelligent Drive. Once the destination is set, then our driver assistance is going to deliver seamless end-to-end support. This is going to blend stress-free travel with comfort and safety. AFEELA's AI perception, this continuously scans and understands the world around the vehicle, utilizing 800 TOPS of computing power and 40 sensors working together. Now, its AI planner, it's going to generate the optimal driving plan, adapting instantly to changes that happen on the road. Real-time intuitive visuals, this is going to allow drivers to grasp not only the sensing status, but also the surrounding environment at a glance. This is going to deliver a sense of confidence and also comfort throughout your drive. Throughout development, we've been continuously gathering and analyzing real-world driving data, and this is making the experience more seamless and also refined. The other experience is the AFEELA Personal Agent. This is grounded in safety and security, so we're delivering a new creative entertainment space. And the essential element behind this, it is our AI-powered conversational agent. Personal Agent, this is powered by Microsoft Azure OpenAI. This is going to go beyond simple command response interactions. This is going to offer you two-way communication that's going to make your everyday travel something that's more comfortable, intuitive, and also enjoyable. So rather than just merely executing instructions, the agent is going to engage in natural conversation with you. This really allows you to operate your vehicle as if you're speaking with a friend. It's going to understand your intent, even through casual dialogue. It's going to seamlessly handle tasks for you, like navigation setup, music playback, climate control, and also theme switching. The agent is going to proactively initiate conversation with you, and then it's going to understand your preferences as your relationship develops. Now we are further redefining the in-car experience, turning every drive into a private theater for the senses. Music, games, movies, anime, everything comes alive through exceptional audio and stunning visuals. The panoramic screen that's going to transform the interior with vivid imagery and also an intuitive Unreal Engine interface. And also why it's got expressive evoker sounds that are going to elevate every moment on the road. Passengers can enjoy video streaming on that panoramic screen and also gaming on the rear entertainment system. Every detail of AFEELA, it has been crafted to transform the very experience of mobility into a richer, more valuable time. Great entertainment visuals shine with the power of audio. And with AFEELA, it's immersive audio. This is an unprecedented in-car audio system. It is featuring 28 newly developed speakers, each which are meticulously placed, and this is to provide you with that top-notch experience like no other. You've got a 360-degree immersive sound field that's going to fill the cabin. Engineered from the ground up with Sony's advanced audio technology, this is to deliver you perfectly balanced acoustics in every seat. AFEELA doesn't just play music, it orchestrates your surroundings. AFEELA provides a development environment for creators to be able to elevate the mobility experience to the next level. This is via the AFEELA Co-Creation Program. Apps and content are going to include things like in-vehicle apps. This can be 3D maps and also location-based gaming, as well as themes. This things like your e-motor sounds, dynamic wallpapers, rich clusters, and also ambient lighting. Even creators that have no connection to the automotive industry, they're going to be able to join and also create content on this open platform. Now this is going to allow AFEELA to then be freely customized, and it really does transform this into a more personal in-cabin experience for you. So one example of this is a co-creation with Tomoko Ida. Now she is the first female Japanese music producer that's worked on a Grammy-nominated album. And together what we've done is created AFEELA's e-motor sound with the idea of blending Japanese and Western styles. It really is turning your car into a unique instrument. Well, AFEELA One, it is not only going to advance your mobility, but it is also going to redefine this as this creative entertainment space for you. Now, as we already have announced reservations for AFEELA One, those began 1 year ago at CES 2025. And both of the trips, our Origin and also Signature, both of these have been progressing with remarkable enthusiasm. Now, if you'd like to get more details on AFEELA One, I do encourage you to please visit the AFEELA website. The AFEELA One that you see here on the stage, this isn't a concept. This is a real pre-production vehicle. This is built on the Sony Honda Mobility production line that is located in Honda's East Liberty plant in Ohio. We are gearing up to start delivery of AFEELA One for our customers in California, and that's going to be late 2026. But as we count down to that moment, the team at Sony Honda Mobility of America, they have been extremely busy. They've been building brand awareness from scratch. In 2025, we welcomed over 100,000 visitors and we conducted over 24,000 in-cabin demonstrations of AFEELA One. And we've noticed that we continue to see this increase in foot traffic at our different studios, pop-ups, and also different collaborative events. Now, we also have received some encouraging feedback from our customers as well, and I will say many of which are unique to the brand. For example, up here, Sony and Honda, two great brands that are coming together to shake up the industry. Or how about ones that are highlighting our product's features? Like, I love all of the innovation, LiDAR and sensors make me feel secure. The AFEELA One, it is turning heads not only for dedicated EV enthusiasts, but also among those that are considering their first electric vehicles. And in fact, we have to say there's only about 22% of the interested customers already own an EV. Now, we're thrilled about this. We love that drivers who were once hesitant to make that switch are now ready to take their first step into the future of mobility with AFEELA One. Now, the other thing that we have some excitement that isn't going to be limited to just California, because I'll tell you the buzz is spreading fast and we are seeing remarkable interest, and this is from customers from over half of the country. These are people who are ready to join the AFEELA journey. In California, we do provide a variety of locations for you to experience the AFEELA One in person. Right now, we're welcoming customers at 4 different AFEELA studios. We have Beverly Hills, Century City, San Jose, and then also San Diego. In addition to that, our studio and delivery hubs, these are in Torrance and Fremont, California. They are gearing up to open this spring. And then later this year, we are going to begin hosting AFEELA One demo drives. And to kick things off with this one, we're planning to host AFEELA Advanced Access opportunities. Now, these are going to be exclusively for our early reservation holders, and all of these experiences are going to roll out in different stages, gradually shifting that focus from the entertainment to the driving performance. And then what's more is that I am happy to announce that we'll be expanding these activities to Arizona. That's going to be in 2027. This is going to bring the AFEELA experience to even more customers across the U.S. here. Now, what you've just seen here, this is the first chapter. The next evolution of AFEELA, it is already taking shape. This is AFEELA Prototype 2026. So this prototype, this is our new approach to expanding AFEELA mobility. So what we've done is shape the model here. It's going to bring joy, it's going to expand the space and really meet your needs. It's also going to stay true to the essence of AFEELA. Now, we are pleased to present this next early stage concept as we continue building on our achievements. Now, we are aiming to deliver a new model. This is going to be based on this prototype for our American customers. That'll be as early as 2028. At Sony Honda Mobility, we aim to redefine the mobility experience with AFEELA One. And with this prototype, we're also excited to shape the future that lies beyond that experience. I want to thank you all for your time and attention here. We look forward to sharing much more later this year. Thank you.